Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to the end.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am taking time to myself and I am going to go get some lash extensions done, and I figured I'd take you guys along with me. Hence why I don't have any makeup on is because I am going to go get some lash extensions. I have not done this in a very, very long time, and the reason for that being because I was looking for someone who specialized in very volume, wispy, and fluffy sets. And the girl that I was going to before, she was awesome. She did such a great job, but it just was a little bit too classic for my taste, and I really like volume and drama. She had actually reached out to me asking if I would like to have her do my lashes, and I was like, of course, because I had been looking for someone to do mine for a very, very long time. So I am very, very excited. It is 9 a.m. or it's about to be 9 a.m. So I figured I'd just take you guys along with me. I'm probably gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts because I don't have a Starbucks near me, and honestly I don't like Starbucks. I like Dunkin' Donuts better. And it's also cheaper too. I need to grab something to eat because knowing me, I do struggle in the mornings with eating. I'll usually just drink my water and then I'll wait until lunchtime, but today I can't do that. Otherwise I'm going to be there taking my lash nap, and all she's going to hear is my stomach growling. So that's what we're doing today. See, I'm not used to vlogging, guys. I'm really not. So I'm acting brand new right now. We are going this way. Thank you. You too. You guys, I literally went through hell and back trying to get here. Okay, I'm hating myself because I'm like almost 30 minutes late. I'm hating myself. I'm always on time. I had the wrong address, I guess, and so I'm just here. You guys, I finally made it, and I'm hating myself more than anything because I'm so late. This is the only workout I get. The only workout I get. Oh, this is the only workout. Thank you so much. I am so sorry. Oh my gosh. Everyone, this is Stephanie from Jolie.
Oh, I didn't even know you was recording.
Yes. I'm so sorry. I'm just so out of breath right now. I can't stop apologizing because I'm always on time. So this is like, I literally was on time and everything, and then I was like, okay, now where is it?
You can lay down.
Yes. Oh my god. You guys, I went through hell and back. Honestly, whatever you can do now, because I know that like you're booked all day, and I respect that. I'm so sorry.
I'm pretty fast.
Okay. And I trust you. I like them to be very thick, lengthwise. I do like them long, but not too long. Just like in between.
I know what you mean.
Yeah, like wispy, kind of wispy, you know?
Okay.
Long, medium, small, you know.
When you look at my lashes, do you think they're long?
No, I love them.
Okay.
I love them just like that.
She's like, I guess. Come on.
Like, oh girl, you mad? Are you mad or mad? You guys, my girl killed it, okay? Look at how bomb they look. And which set is this? What would you call this set? Goddess Glam. Oh my gosh. This is Stephanie's Goddess Glam set. I'm so in love. This is exactly what I've been wanting for years now. And I finally found someone who could do it and do it right. So I am happy. Thank you so much, girl. Thank you. She's got a forever client now. I'm honestly just feeling myself. I'm feeling these lashes. You know how like when you're feeling yourself, your voice changes and everything. Like you start using your hands more and stuff. You're like, I'm feeling myself. That's exactly how I'm feeling. I am feeling my lashes. Again, this is the Goddess set from Stephanie's brand, which her name is Jolie Fee Bar on Instagram, which I'll leave all of her information down below so that you guys can go ahead and check her out, check out her work. She's awesome and she's super sweet and super humble, and I just, it wasn't even that like I was taking a lash nap, because like she was just making me crack up. So if y'all end up getting your lash set done with her, please let me know and let her know that I sent you. Okay y'all, I finally made it home. Oh my god, finally made it home. Now this is the big reveal. I'm gonna see how my man likes them, so we're gonna see. Watch him be sleeping like when I actually slumped. I knew I was gonna find you both in here sleeping without me, because I couldn't wait. Aww. Has he been sleeping for a while?
Like 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. It's only 2.
Oh really?
Yeah. I didn't expect you both to wake up when I walked in. Hi, baby. Hi. Say hi. You're like, no, get the hell away from me. You like him?
Oh.
You like him? You like him?
Yeah, so fucking. Bam.
You like them though.
Mm-hmm.
I love them. My goodness, she killed it.
Jesus.
She did. Yeah. They're dramatic. You know I like dramatic.
Mm-hmm. Extra. Read all
Because I
about
am dramatic.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. If he wants to sleep more, he can. And then here's this one. Wiki. Yeah, hi. Hi. Did you have fun with Dada? What'd you guys do? He's still kind of out of it. How you doing?
Oh, now you're recording this one.
Yeah. Beautiful mess.
Mm-hmm.
Both of us a beautiful
I'm
mess.
doing alright. You know, just woke up from a nap.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Feel good? Feeling good?
Yeah, I feel alright. I feel tired.
Yeah. Same. So let's hope.
You said let's smoke?
Let's hope.
Oh.
Oh, I don't mind moping. I don't. I'm tired.
I said smoke, not mope.
Oh. Yeah.
They all sound the same.
No, they don't.
No.
Let's go smoke some dope. Bebe, come here. My mommy.
My mommy.
My mommy.
It's mine. Yeah.
Wow, look at
Hi.
You're like, damn.
Whoa.
What's that spider on her eye?
Why do you have furry eyes?
I'm just gonna have to close this out.
Hi.
Anthony! Why are you laughing? You gonna come say bye?
Bye.
Come over here. Come here. Come here. Toddlerism. Say bye.
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 Say bye. Bye-bye.
I thought we'd be together. Oh, it ended so fast. Now that I am sober, I take back